Hello students, now we will see question number 2 of exercise 9.1. So question number 2 is write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. Here rational numbers are given. First of all, you need to understand the pattern which is followed by this question, and then you have to find out the next 4 more rational numbers. Okay, so let us see. The first one is minus 3 upon 5, then minus 6 upon 10, minus 9 upon 15 and minus 12 upon 20. So first of all you need to find out the pattern. आपको pattern जो है वो पहले ढूंढना है कि इसमें क्या pattern use हुआ है. So if you see carefully, minus 3 upon 5, right? Second is minus 6 upon 10. So minus 3 था and now it is minus 6. So how it became minus 6? So it is multiplied by 2. ओके, सो फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन को अगर आप 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे सो यू विल गेट माइनस 6 और नीचे 5 2 ज़ा 10. ओके, सो दे हैव मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2. देन थर्ड पार्ट, अगेन द फर्स्ट वन दे हैव मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 3, सो 3 3 ज़ा 9 और नीचे 5 3 ज़ा 15. सो दिस वे वी विल फर्स्ट try to understand which pattern is used. Okay, so let us see the solution part. Once you know the pattern, you can easily multiply and find the 4 more रैशनल नंबर्स. जो 4 मोर रैशनल नंबर आपको ढूंढना है वो इजीली मिल जाएगा, बट फर्स्ट यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द पैटर्न. लेट अस सी. सो दिस इज अवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, इन द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट इज minus 3 upon 5. minus 3 upon 5 means into 1. Second is minus 6 upon 10. So they have multiplied by 2. Okay, so that is why 3 2s are minus 3 into 2 will become minus 6 and 5 2s are 10. Then third is minus 9 upon 15. minus 9 upon 15 means जो क्वेश्चन में आपको फर्स्ट minus 3 upon 5 दिया है that we have to multiply by 3. Then minus 12 upon 20, so now we have to multiply by 4. So here the pattern is we have to go on multiplying with the numbers in sequence 1 2 3 and 4 like this way. So we have to just continue the pattern, proceeding in the same pattern. If you proceed in the same pattern, so for finding the next rational number, what will happen? 4 तक multiply किया है, अब आपको 4 रैशनल नंबर और ढूंढना है. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट 4 मोर रैशनल नंबर. सो नाउ जस्ट कंटिन्यू द पैटर्न. minus 3 upon 5 को नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ 5 and the next answer will be minus 15 upon 25. Again minus 3 upon 5, again next we will multiply by 6. So we will get minus 3 into 6 will be minus 18 और नीचे 5 6 30 हो जाएगा. Then again we will multiply by 7, so it will be minus 21 upon 35, and then we will multiply by 8, so it will be minus 4 upon 40. So this is the pattern in the question. So this is the pattern in the question, and now these 4 are our next 4 rational numbers after multiplying. So this is our final answer. So first you need to understand the pattern. Now let us quickly see the second one. Second one, the given pattern is, the question of second one is minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 8, comma minus 3 upon 12. This is the second question. Okay, see, this is the second question. The second question in the question is this: minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 8, minus 3 upon 12. If you see carefully this, again there is some pattern. minus 1 upon 4 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो minus 2 upon 8 होगा. So obviously here they have multiplied with 2. Okay, now again they have multiplied this first part with 3 and they have got minus 3 upon 12. So first is minus 1 upon 4. Okay, then this fraction if we multiply by 2, we get minus 2 upon 8 and then we get minus 3 upon 12. So first they have multiplied by 2, then they have multiplied by 3. Now for finding the next 4, what you will do? You will multiply by 4, then 5, then 6 and then 7. This way you will continue. So let us discuss the answer of second one. So this is the second part. So first is minus 1 upon 4 means same, so into 1. Second is minus 2 upon 8. So minus 2 upon 8 दिया. Second one means minus 1 upon 4 को 2 से multiply किया. minus 3 upon 12 means minus 1 upon 4 को 3 से multiply किया. So these 3 are given in the question. Now we have to find out the next 4 more rational numbers. So we have to multiply with 4. So minus 1 upon 4 into 4 will give you minus 4 upon 16. Then we have to multiply into 5. So 5 and minus 1 will be minus 5 और नीचे 5 4s are 20 हो जाएगा. Now minus 1 upon 4 into 6. So it will be minus 6 upon 6 4s are 24. and then into 7. So these will be the next 4 rational numbers. So this is your required rational numbers. So ये आपका 4 rational numbers है. You can do orally also. You don't have to show this step. Directly आप ये भी कर सकते हो, orally भी आप आंसर लिख सकते हो, क्योंकि it is very easy. Here the method is shown, but आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे कॉमा करके आप डायरेक्टली आंसर ओरली भी लिख सकते हो if you have understood the pattern. Now third one we will see. Third question is minus 1 upon 6, then minus 2 upon 2 upon minus 12. Now denominator is negative, then 3 upon minus 18, and then 4 upon minus 24. So whether it is 2 upon minus 12 और माइनस 2 अपॉन 12 मीन्स माइनस अगर नीचे है या ऊपर है उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ओके, minus should be there one time. So let us see the solution part of third one. So third one, the question is minus 1 upon 6. Now next is 2 upon 12. So 2 upon 12, how we are getting? So this minus 1 upon 6 we have to multiply by 2. So it will be 2 ones are 2. Okay, so minus 2 upon 12. So I told you that 2 upon minus 12 and minus 2 upon 12 both are same, both are equal. So ये minus की साइन आपको नीचे दिया है, डिनोमिनेटर में दिया है. Minus sign which is given in the denominator, don't get confused. Okay, minus you can write with the numerator or you can write with the denominator. Anywhere you can write one time. Okay, one time, don't use two time for both. Okay, if you write minus 2 upon 12 or if you write 2 upon minus 12, both are equal, both are same, the value is same, the fraction is same. So this is our second part. Now third part is 3 upon minus 18 means minus 3 upon 18. So we will multiply this fraction with 3. Now 4 upon minus 24, so now we will multiply with 4. So again we have multiplied with 1 2 3 4. So next we have to multiply with 5. Okay, and minus sign you can keep either up or you can keep either down, anywhere it doesn't matter. So you will multiply with 5, so it will be 5 upon minus 30. Then you will multiply with 6, so it will be 6 upon minus 36. Then you will multiply by 7 and then you will multiply by 8. So this will be your next 4 rational numbers, your final answer. Now let us see the fourth one. Fourth one, the pattern in the question is minus 2 upon 3, then 2 upon minus 3. मीन्स पहले माइनस ऊपर है और फिर माइनस नीचे है. Then minus 4 upon minus 6 and then 6 upon minus 9. So first is minus 2 upon 3, so they have multiplied with 1. Second is 2 upon minus 3. So actually both are same. Again multiplied with 1. Now next is 4 upon minus 6. 4 upon minus 6 means it is multiplied with 2. Okay, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फर्स्ट पार्ट को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है. Okay, so the first fraction is multiplied by 2. The first one, it is multiplied by 2. 2 upon minus 2 upon 3 is multiplied by 2. Or second, any one you can take, multiply by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Now next is 6 upon minus 9. So now it is multiplied by 3. Okay, now proceeding with the same pattern. So what will happen? See, 1 2 and 3. So now you will multiply with 4. So minus 2 upon 3 को 4 से multiply करेंगे. So your answer will be minus 8 upon 12 और 8 upon minus 12. माइनस ऊपर लिखो या नीचे लिखो उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. It doesn't matter. You can write minus either up with the numerator or you can write it down with the denominator. Anywhere one time minus sign you have to put. That's it. So it doesn't matter. So this will be your answer. ये होगा या तो ये होगा. Any one of these, both are same, both are equal. Now next is minus 2 into 5. Minus 2 upon 3 into 5. Now we will multiply with 5. Okay, so it will be minus 10 upon 15 or 10 upon minus 15. माइनस की साइन ऊपर लिखो या नीचे लिखो, कहीं भी आप लिख सकते हो, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. This both are same, both are equal. Then we will multiply with 6 and then we will multiply with 7. So at the last, this will be our final answer. Now let us see question number 3. Question number 3 is also very easy. We have to again multiply and get the answer. Give 4 rational number equivalent to. Now we have to find equivalent rational number. We have done equivalent fraction. Okay, in 7th standard we have learnt how to find out equivalent fraction by multiplying with same number. We have to multiply both numerator and denominator. So this is the same question. Okay, फर्स्ट वन इज -2/7। अब -2/7 का इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन और इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल नंबर आपको ढूंढना है, तो आप कोई भी नंबर से उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, बट द कंडीशन इज यू विल मल्टीप्लाई बोथ न्यूमरेटर ऑल्सो एंड डिनोमिनेटर ऑल्सो, एंड वॉट एवर आंसर you will get, that is your equivalent rational number. You can take any number of your choice because it is not mentioned. Okay, so you can take any, it is, if it is written give first four rational numbers equivalent to, then you have to continue follow the sequence 1 2 3 4. Otherwise you can take any number. So first one is -2/7. So what they have done, they have multiplied both with 2. ओके, पहले दोनों को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? 2 into -2 is -4 and 7 2 is 14. So now this answer what you got, this is equivalent rational number, equivalent to this. ये और ये दोनों equivalent है. Now again we will find second equivalent rational number. So again -2/7 you will multiply with 3. So you will get -6/21. Now again -2/7 you will multiply with 4 and then you will multiply with 5. So this way you will find out 4 equivalent rational numbers. So this way you will get 4 equivalent rational number, -4/14, -6/21, -8/28 and -10/35. So these are the 4 rational numbers. Now second one we will see. Second one is 5/-3. Now again we have to find 4 equivalent rational numbers. So again you will multiply first with 2, then with 3, then with 4 and then with 5. And these are the answer what you will get. So these 4 are equivalent rational number. Okay, equivalent means आप कोई भी number ले लो और उससे numerator and denominator both you have to multiply, and whatever answer you get, that is equivalent rational number. Now third one is 4/9. So first again multiplied with 2. So we got 8/18. This is first equivalent rational number. Now for finding second, they have multiplied with 3, then 4, then 5. So 8/18, 12/27, 16/36 and 20/45. These are the required equivalent rational numbers. So this was question number 2 and 3. Hope you understood. Now we will see question number 4. Question number 4 is draw a number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. So now you have to show this on number line. So first one is 3/4. So first of all 3/4 you have to decide that 3/4 कौन से दो नंबर के बीच में आएगा. तो पहले आपको वो डिसाइड करना है. So you can decide by dividing. 3 को आप पहले 4 से साइड पे डिवाइड कर लो. दिस इज ईजी. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, 4 के टेबल में 3 तो आएगा ही नहीं, तो पहले आप 0 पॉइंट रख के यहाँ पे आपको 0 लेना पड़ेगा. ओके, बिकॉज इन 4 टेबल 3 विल नॉट कम. 3 इज स्मॉल देन 4. ओके, सो फॉर व्हाट यू विल डू, you will first make it larger. So 0 point you have to take decimal point and keep your 0. Now you will take 4 sevens are 28. ओके, सो 0.7 आंसर आ रहा है. सो 0.7 मीन्स ये जो 3/4 है ये 0 और 1 के बीच में आएगा, समवेयर बिटवीन 0 एंड 1, बिकॉज इट इज 0.7. 0.7 मीन्स 0 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा. ओके, 0 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा यानी कि 0 और 1 के बीच में आएगा, कहीं पे 0 और 1 के बीच में. सो दैट इज 0.7. So what you need to do is, first of all we will draw a number line. This way you will draw number line, you will take number 0, 1 and 2. Okay, now the fraction is 3/4. Okay, so what you will do, you will draw 4 equal parts. 0 और 1 के बीच में आपको 4 equal pieces करना है. So this way 1 2 3 and 4. See, you have to do 4 equal parts between 0 and 1. So this way, this is the first part, this second, third and fourth. So ये first part है, तो इसको लिखेंगे 1/4, because out of 4 this is one part, so that's why it is written 1/4. Then second part 2/4, third part 3/4, and then here 4/4 means 1. 4/4 फोर्थ पार्ट, तो कट करोगे तो 1 आएगा, राइट. सो 0 और 1 के बीच में आपको 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स कट डाउन करना है. सो वेर इज 3/4 नाउ? सो दिस पॉइंट ए, this is our 3/4. So A represents 3/4. You can show it with the help of a dot or you can give name A. Now we will see second one. Second one is minus 5 upon 8. So again minus 5 upon 8. So first of all नेगेटिव है तो ये ज़ीरो के लेफ्ट साइड पे आएगा. नंबर लाइन आप ड्रॉ करोगे तो ज़ीरो के लेफ्ट साइड है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू टेक ज़ीरो, then minus 1 and then 1. Now it is minus 5 upon 8. So minus 5 upon 8, again if you divide it, minus 5 upon 8, first you do simple division. 5 को 8 से divide करो. सो अगेन 5 इज लेस देन 8. सो वापस पहले आपको 0 पॉइंट लेना पड़ेगा. ओके यानी कि वापस ये 0 और माइनस 1 के बीच में आएगा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज नेगेटिव. ओके सी दिस इज माइनस 5 अपॉन 8. तो ये 0 और माइनस 1 के बीच में आएगा, नॉट 1, माइनस 1. वी हैव टू गो टू लेफ्ट साइड, not right side, because it is negative. So what you need to do is you need to draw number line, write 0. Okay, write 0 minus 1. Okay, 0 और minus 1 लिखो. Now the fraction is minus 5 upon 8. So 0 and minus 1 के बीच में now you have to draw 8 equal parts. आपको 8 पार्ट्स में उसको इक्वली डिवाइड करना है. ओके फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज योर नंबर लाइन. यहाँ पे 0 है और यहाँ पे माइनस 1 है, तो आपको 8 इक्वल पार्ट्स करना है दिस वे 1 2. सो ये आपका यहाँ से यहाँ तक 1 पार्ट, ये सेकेंड पार्ट, ये थर्ड मीन्स ये थर्ड पार्ट, फोर्थ पार्ट. दिस वे यू हैव टू डू 8 इक्वल पीसेस. वाई 8 इक्वल पीसेस? बिकॉज इट इज minus 5 upon 8. सो 8 इक्वल पीसेस करेंगे. दिस इज 1, दिस इज सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, सेवेंथ एंड द लास्ट वन दैट इज 8th. So there are 8 pieces. So सबके नीचे 8 लिखेंगे. First piece will be minus 1 upon 8. Minus because we are moving left side. Minus 1 upon 8, minus 2 upon 8, minus 3 upon 8, minus 4 upon 8, minus 5 upon 8. This way. Now where is minus 5 upon 8? So here is our minus 5 upon 8. So this way you will show. Now third one is minus 7 upon 4. Again it is minus. So we have to again go to the लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द नंबर लाइन के लेफ्ट साइड पे आएगा. अब लेफ्ट साइड पे बिटवीन विच टू नंबर्स? सो अगेन वी हैव टू चेक इट बाय डिविजन. सो 7 वी विल डिवाइड बाय 4. नाउ डिविजन इज पॉसिबल. 4 1s are 4. सो 7 minus 4 is 3.0. 4 7s are 28. Now in decimal chapter, fraction and decimal, you have already done decimal division. Okay, so this type of division we have seen in decimal chapter. Our answer is 1.7. 1.7 means 1 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा. ओके मतलब ये -1, ये -1 और -2 के बीच में आएगा कहीं पे. क्यों -1? बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन इज नेगेटिव. when we are dividing we are not putting negative sign, but in the answer we have to put. So our answer was 1.7, actually minus 1.7. okay, so minus 1.7 means ये जो फ्रैक्शन है दैट विल कम बिटवीन -1 and -2. सो नाउ बिटवीन -1 and -2 नाउ यू हैव टू मेक 4 pieces. नाउ लेट अस सी. सो 0, okay, 1 and -1. So first of all you need to draw like this way, 0 1 and 2. Take this way, you have to take the fraction. Now 0 के बाद आपको ये 4 equal pieces करना है and go on writing till -7 upon 4. सो 0 के बाद आप इक्वल पीसेस कट करो एंड यू हैव टू गो ऑन राइटिंग टिल -7 upon 4. सो आफ्टर 0 फर्स्ट पार्ट इज -1 upon 4, देन -2 upon 4, देन -3 upon 4, देन 4 upon 4. नाउ -4 upon 4 मीन्स इसको आप कट करोगे तो ये 1 हो गया, -1, यानी कि मैंने बोला था -1 और -2 के बीच में आएगा, तो यहाँ पे आपका आ गया -1. ओके, सो -1 और -2 के बीच में ये फ्रैक्शन आपका आएगा. So 0 के बाद you go on writing -1 upon 4 like this way. So at the end here you will get -7 upon 4. So your -7 upon 4 will lie here in the number line. So this way you can show with the help of a dot. -7 upon 4 कहाँ पे आएगा? यहाँ पे. Now next is 7 upon 8. Now this is positive. Positive means we have to show on right side. Okay, positive numbers कहाँ होते हैं number line पे? Right side. Okay, so we have to show on right side. Now 7 upon 8, 7 divide by 8. Again 7 is less than 8, we can't divide, so we have to take 0 point and यहाँ पे 0. Now 8, how many is 70? So 70 doesn't comes, so what we can take? 8 it's a 64. We can take 8 it's a 64. So 64. So our answer will be 0.8. Okay, so this will be our answer. 0.8 means 0.8 मीन्स 0 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा. ओके, 0 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा मीन्स 0 से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, यानी कि 0.8 जो है वो 0 और 1 के बीच में आएगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू डिसाइड बिटवीन विच टू नंबर इट विल लाई. सो 0 और 1 के बीच में आएगा. नाउ वी विल ड्रॉ नंबर लाइन. So this is our 0 and this is our 1. So first of all draw a number line. Okay, अब इतना तो पता चल गया है, you know that 0 और 1 के बीच में आएगा. So leave enough gap so that you can cut down into pieces. So take 0, leave gap and take 1. Now this way draw the number line. Okay, now 7 upon 8. So denominator is 8. So now you have to make 8 equal pieces after 0. Move to right side because this is positive fraction. So 8 pieces. Okay, this way, one piece, second, third, fourth, all should be equal. Okay, इस तरह से आपको पार्टीशन करना है कि सब इक्वल दिखने चाहिए, राइट. फर्स्ट पार्ट विल बी 1 upon 8, second will be 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8. This way go on writing till you get 7 upon 8. So where is your 7 upon 8? Here. So now plot 7 upon 8. So this is your 7 upon 8. So this A represents 7 upon 8. So this is your fourth one. So this was question number 2, 3 and 4 of exercise 9.1. Hope you understood.